Thank you for joining Video Fit Solutions. Today we're going to be visiting Gadsden, Alabama and Noccalula Falls. We're going to grab some great footage for you guys. Hello Gina, and hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe, and share our channel. God bless. Video Fit Solutions. We are here at Noccalula Falls Park in Alabama. In the rain, we're gonna film some of the falls for you here, as you can see behind us. And please like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate all of your support. Do you want to say something, Gina? Here we go.
During the video, like, subscribe, share, and view them. Thank you.
Noccalula Falls Park is a 250-acre public park located in Gadsden, Alabama. The main feature of the park is a 90-foot waterfall. Trails wind through the Black Creek Gorge, past caves, an Aboriginal fort, an abandoned dam, pioneer homestead, and Civil War carvings. The park also features a petting zoo, mini golf course, and the Gilland Reese covered bridge built in 1899 and a replica 1863 train ride. Once again, Gina and I would like to thank you for watching our videos. We hope you found some of this information informative. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. God bless.